Tonight's one of the open houses that we hold periodically for the center. We pull together displays of the different projects, some of the technology. It's a really great event because on a given day there's always something going on, but few people really get to see it all put together. And so bringing our partners together and kind of recognizing all the things that can be done together and where we've come and where we're going. We've done a lot of work with Tom Mulliken, and he's set up the Mulliken Institute that's coming from the policy side of the house.
People are really beginning to notice. It's global leadership. What we're seeing coming out of coastal Carolina is really good science with good law and policy.
What's really interesting is we come through these very similar conclusions and perceptions from very different worlds. And when you can bring these worlds together, I think it'll be quite powerful.
This is about a lot of the hard work that we've been doing. It's a lot of cumulative effort from the students and a lot from Dr. Gaze and Dr. Mulliken and a bunch of other people that have all put in their time.
The students are incredibly impressive. What we see is brilliant students. Every year we get more and more coming here from around the world. And it's just been so much fun over the last 10 years working together to really show them vanguard science associated with really leading edge environmental law and policy.
I feel like I've gained a lot of hands-on experiences, some that I wouldn't get elsewhere.
The earlier we can get them into these experiences, we find them really get turned on and do great things going forward. Most of our focus really is here. This is what we do. This is our home turf. We don't have to go that far to find interesting problems to work on.
We're no longer aspirational, we're operational. And so we're out there doing things. People don't have to travel around the world to get the best education. The best education that you can get in these areas are right here in coastal Carolina.
It makes me really excited to think about my future. I mean, this experience has been amazing working here. So much opportunity out there for me, and it's just waiting for me to graduate, you know?